Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to disable Talkback on Android. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, there's a couple of ways to get to Talkback setting on your phone. You can even search for it in your search bar. Type in Talkback and then click in the Talkback under accessibility, like so. Click on Talkback and then it's a matter of turning this off, so click on off, toggle that to off. Another way to find this on your phone is to head back to your settings option, scroll down and look for accessibility, click onto accessibility, click on the Talkback and then toggle that off. So yeah, that's it guys, how to turn off Talkback on your Android mobile device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.